InfoComm is it's the Super Bowl of AV.
The highlight of InfoComm is showcasing our AI-powered digital signage solutions, meeting new faces, meeting faces we've met for many years.
The people, the industry, it's great to be here with everyone else and sort of get a chance to put a face to the name. So it's just been a great show to meet with everybody at this time.
So at Navori, we're always have been for 27 years laser focused on building software for digital signage technology. This is an area and an arena that partners and AV companies and resellers gravitate to. So for us, it gives us that platform to tell our story and the value that we can bring to our partner network.
Yeah, so there's two new solutions we're really looking at, which one of them is programmatic. It's a real chance for end users, companies to really monetize digital signage. And then on top of that, everyone is sort of trending with AI analytics, but we've sort of had that since 2019, but we've really been debuting it the last couple of years. So we're just taking that further and further, expanding it and really growing it to show what is coming in digital signage with AI.
We're working with our AI stack on the SICK 3800 solution, so our AI detection, real-time, body, and dwell time. And we also have our more advanced two-stack solution with the Quadri that is currently on a vehicle showcase for a QSR vertical. We're also showcasing a room booking integration, so that's integrating with Google Calendar, Exchange Calendar to do dynamic content.
You know, Navori is a very channel-friendly company, so for us, everything that we do goes through the channel. We have a lot of our products that allow it to make it very easy for integrators and partners to deploy our solutions. We have a great support team. We have account management services, business development services, some consulting services that the partner can rely on so that they don't really even need to be experts in digital signage.
At Navori is our dedication and our commitment to software and innovation. When given that opportunity and highlight what we do and showcase our interface and our usability, and it allows us to tell a good story.
One of the things I started with when I came to Navori is I said I want to be part of something growing, and that's been true. The company has more than doubled in size. The future is very bright. We have a lot of new innovation coming along the way. We have QL 3.0, which is going to be a very big refresh and rewrite of our code, which is going to open up a lot of new possibilities and doors. We've been in the business for 27 years, so I expect us to be in the business for another 27 years very easily.
Thank you to everyone who stopped by Navori Labs at InfoComm 2025. It was a pleasure showcasing our AI-powered digital signage solutions and meeting so many of you. For more information, visit us at navori.com, and we'll see you at InfoComm 2026. Bye for now.